We're going to do another video today to kind of show you the interactive PDFs and how to use them with an Apple iPad, tablet, iPhone. Works well. Let's get into it. First, we're going to open up Safari or whatever browser that you use. Go to burrking.com. From there, all of our PDFs, product catalogs, are under product media. So we'll pull down a PDF catalog. We'll scroll down here. Let's go to page 19 real quick. We see the 600 polisher there. Let's go ahead and click on that. The PDF is going to open right up in the browser. Let's go over, we need a wheel adapter. So if we click on the picture, it takes us right to the Burr website to that wheel adapter. We'll go ahead and click back, and it's going to open the PDF for the 600 that we had up there. Now let's scroll down. The QR codes are also clickable. So we can click that, and it's going to take us to the category of the Model 800 where we see the Model 800 machine. So we scroll back and forth here, click the back button. We're going to go back to our product media tab here. Let's go back one more. Product media tab up at the top. We're going to go down to the PDF flyers. Let's scroll down. Let's look for a belt grinder. 960-250 would be a good one right there. It's going to open up the spec sheet for that, our product flyer. All right, scroll through, read it. Pictures are all clickable. Oh, I like that Meg right there in the middle. Let's click on that. That's our 90703, and it pulls it right up to the website. It's a 3 horsepower, 3-phase machine. Click back on that. All right, so when we click back, we're back here on the spec sheet. Let's look at this variable speed one here real quick. Click on that. It's going to open it back to the website. As you can see, we got lots of pictures here. So let's go ahead and click on one of the pictures. It's going to blow it up. We have a nice little description underneath the pictures, so we can use our fingers to swipe back and forth. In the upper right-hand corner, next to the X, you'll see a little box there. You can click on that and get the thumbnail. So that's kind of handy, so you can see if there's a lot of pictures what you're looking at. Now if we go back to our spec sheets here, let's grab another one real quick. There's a couple functions I want to talk about that's starting to pop up on some of these spec sheets. So we'll grab the Model 1000 1200 spec sheet here. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see click to call us. If you click on that and you're on your iPhone or your iPad, it's actually going to take and call if you have it configured that way. So that's kind of neat. If you got something real quick, you can give us a buzz. We also have a chat with us here function. If you click on that and nobody's online, it's just going to send us an email. So real quick, you just enter your name, email address, a good contact phone number so we can reach out to you. You have something urgent we need to talk about, or sometimes things are just easier on the phone. We don't have to always talk back and forth on email. Anytime you need us, we can talk on the phone as well. So just got a quick question regarding a Model 760. Maybe I need parts for it. I need belts. It's just going to be a generic request for help or more information. So you can hit that send button there, and it's going to send us an email, and we'll get that in the box and get back to you as quick as we can. Now, if there's an operator online, one of the technicians sitting at his computer, he can actually respond back to you in real time. So now if we hit chat with us here, it's going to bring up an actual chat dialog. So you can type right in here exactly what you're needing to do. Maybe I need a new polishing machine. I want to try to figure out what's going to be best for me. And I got a couple questions on it. So enter your question. It's going to come back and ask you for your name and an email address just in case we get disconnected along the way. So enter your name, email address in, and that kind of kicks off the chat function of our website. Click the check mark and that'll start the chat. So now you can see that my question's up there, and look, there's an operator responding back. So I'm going to take and wait for it. And yeah, same. He's a live person there. So now we can go back and forth and communicate a little bit more about what we need. And hopefully we get it all figured out. So that's the chat function. Really nice, easy feature. So hope you enjoy the PDFs and the new interactive capabilities of it.